Good morning. This is Toni, your Chicago ambassador, with our February market update. First, I'd like to start with what to expect in the housing market for 2018. The booming real estate industry is really at the healthiest it's been in the last 30 years, with home sales and prices near where they were during the housing boom. And there's none of the drama involved due to a much more stable economy. So what's in store as the industry looks ahead to the year to come? Well, the National Association of Realtors predicts that sales will continue to increase by nearly 4% in 2018. Additionally, interest rates are expected to creep up as well, but very slowly, and they'll still be considered relatively low compared to historical levels. So if you're a qualified buyer on the fence about purchasing, I would use this opportunity to encourage you to purchase before mid-year so you can take advantage of these lower interest rates. Another thing I want to touch upon are the millennials and the demand for housing that will keep on climbing because of the millennials. After a decade of decline, the homeownership rate has finally ticked up in 2017. And by the third quarter, 63.9% of households were occupied by owners. So that's up from a low of 62% in the second quarter of 2016. I think that 2017 will be remembered as the year where the bleeding has stopped and the healing started. As millennials age, this trend is especially expected to continue. The generation of adults born after 1980 were slow to enter the housing market. But as a growing share of them is getting married and has kids, they are buying homes at rates equal to their parents. In fact, single millennials are more likely to own a home than prior generations of singles. So that's something to keep in mind. We are still going to have a rather low inventory, especially for new homes. According to the most recent monthly reports from the National Association of Realtors, we're approximately 250,000 units light on what is necessary to meet the 50-year average annual demand levels for new construction. The pressure will be felt more strongly in certain markets, and ours is included. However, the overall speed of the housing market will act as a stabilizing force, which is good. The good news is that single-family housing starts are projected to increase more than 9% in 2018, according to the U.S. Census Bureau, which will ease the pressure in many areas. So this is our update for February. And of course, we'll have more Chicago-based updates starting in March. Stay tuned, and thanks for checking in.